Anybody else have that experience? Yes. Okay, this is actually a lovemaking skill. Can I just be present? Not easy. No, it's not easy. And I don't recommend that we do social life that way, because people are going to wonder why you're sitting like a stone. But it's the ability to be able to do it in a laboratory like this. Because if you really want exquisite lovemaking, tantric lovemaking, one of the skills is the ability to do nothing. You won't always be doing that. Sometimes you'll be nodding while you're having sex, or you'll be moaning in response. But can you not, as an alternative? So we've all been socialized. A lot of Tantra and a lot of personal and spiritual growth is about examining our socialization from the culture and deciding whether we want to keep it or not. There's actually two things are the first stage in personal and spiritual growth. Examining the socialization from your culture and deciding what you want to keep and what you want to throw away, and examining the programming from your parents and deciding what you want to keep and what you want to throw away. Some people need to throw away more than others, but all of us need to throw away something if we want to become our free selves. So we've been socialized to nod, and especially as women, we're super likable, and sometimes we let the guy talk because you're supposed to let guys talk. All these kind of rules. Okay? And in this laboratory, can we see what it's like to not do those rules? Not saying it's better, just examining. What if? Can I be totally present with another person without having to let them know I think they're okay, or them telling me I'm okay? Can I make love without having to let the other person know every minute that they're turning me on, or I'm okay, or I'm enjoying this, or I'm not? Can I just be present? Can I do nothing? What is meditation? It's basically sitting and doing nothing. Tantric sex is meditating in the presence of another person. Osho said the best lovers are meditators. Is it possible for me to do nothing in the presence of another person? We've been socialized it's not. And maybe it's not. Maybe it is better. I'm not saying one or the other. I'm saying let's experiment and have the capability. If I always have to be nodding and humming and coming back with cute little things and stuff, which we all do, it actually makes conversation nice. But if I have to, if I'm dependent on that, there's no freedom in it. There's no flexibility. I have been programmed like a robot to do that. So can I stretch myself and not at times? That's the exercise. So I'd suggest as you go out of here, or as you come back, or whatever you like, just notice how you're being programmed, and if you want try with a little more flexibility. You might not. You might decide the way that I've been socialized to do that is nice. I think you shared that last time, Kimberly. You have a preference for that, and that's fine. If that's your way, I'm offering it to you as a way to be fully receptive, because if you do progress along the path towards tantric sex, you will want to be able to be, men and women, fully receptive, fully receiving, without any, hey, that feels good. Totally in your body. So this is a beginning skill of just sitting with another person. Can I just receive this luscious being who's sitting in front of me? Probably never see him again. Maybe I'll fall in love with him. Probably won't. But can I just receive their essence? Can I receive this person's essence? What are we taught? Only if you look right will I open myself to you. Let's just be here with our practice partners. Let me try receiving you. Most of us have not been fully received. Most of the people you meet have not been fully received. Most human beings have not been fully received. And part of that is because we live in a culture that's it's part of the patriarchal culture, is that it favors the yang, it favors the doing, it favors the talking, it favors the activity, it favors all this kind of stuff. That stuff's great, but what happens to doing nothing, enjoying, relaxing? I like you for absolutely no reason. I don't even know why I like you, I just do. There's no room for that, right? You have to look right, talk right, squawk right, and have the right plans for your future for me to even like you. So in the Tantra, we have a laboratory where we just practice liking each other for no reason, receiving each other, seeing what it's like.